Hi, my name is Megan Stidley. I'm one of the Career Services Coordinators, and we are located on the second floor of the library, up the stairs to your right in LI 212. So to kind of define Career Services in one sentence, we usually tell students that we are here to assist you in finding jobs, whether that is an internship, a part-time position, or in the future, full-time employment. Some things we can help you with right now would be creating a resume or looking over a resume you currently have. You can also come in and get some help on interview skills or attend any of our workshops that we offer throughout the semester, which you can find online. It is our hopes that all UAFS students graduate with a full-time position, so it is never too early to come in and start working towards your future now. If you haven't heard about the BAB Center for Professional Development program yet, we will probably be coming to you at some point and telling you about that, and you can get started as early as the end of your sophomore year or the beginning of your junior year.